Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Hero cycles. It is the Hero Spirit Flash 29T. So I have one of my friend to unbox it. So let's see what and all the things are there in the box. Okay, so here we go. So most probably 80 to 90% of the cycle is already assembled. So all we need to do is like we need to assemble some parts, which are the pedals and the tires, and hope Hero has given us the quick start bike guide with the necessary tools and equipments which is required to assemble this bike. That's pretty good actually. So stay tuned on to my channel. We will give the review about this cycle, which is Hero Splash 29T.